Boom, welcome to another day in the life from a full-time Forex trader living in the UK. I'm extremely tired, the bags under my eyes are extremely concerning as it is only 8:30 a.m.
Sam's dragged me to a new gym that's far away from my home.
Rob's 25 minutes late.
Let's go.
Now, what we're going to go through in this video is a bit of a gym session, so I'm going to talk you through the workout that we did and then also go through a market forecast coming up later on in this video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and like button as it means a lot as a new YouTuber coming into the trading scene. By the way, if you didn't watch the last market forecast we did on this YouTube channel, we literally got it spot on for GU. The exact areas we were looking to target and the exact movements we were looking to get is exactly what happened. So make sure that you're watching this. If you're new to trading or if you're looking to see what happens in the markets, particularly for GU, then try and take in everything I'm saying at the end of this video. So to kick off our gym routine, we started off with 3 or 4 sets, I can't quite remember, of tight grip bench presses, which basically meant that we were working more of the triceps more than just the chest. And then we moved on to tricep dips, of which we did 4 sets of, I think it's 12 or 14. If you can't tell, this is an arms and abs workout. I mean, you can't tell the abs yet, so fair play. But yeah, we are literally doing triceps, abs, then biceps. So we've just done rope pull downs, and now we're about to do some ab exercises targeting those lower abs. I can see I'm mesmerized by Sam's beautiful junk in my face. Now, I was getting really annoyed when he was doing this because he kept pushing my legs to the right and never did them to the left. So I just felt like I was only getting the right part of my body worked out. But bless him, it's his first time. We then moved on to a lovely bit of biceps, and this is my favorite part of the exercise. As you can see, really feeling myself, directly looking at myself in the mirror, particularly my arms, even though they're the size of a peanut. Oh, boom. Dumbbells are out to play. Not sure why I'm doing them like this. I don't actually normally do it like this. I think I just saw Sam doing them in this manner and thought I'd copy him, as he is literally Arnold Schwarzenegger. Right, we finished up with some cable curls, and that was pretty much the end of the workout. Pretty good arm session and a little bit of abs as well. So yeah, good way to start the day. Now it's coming into the office. We're here. We're now at the office. Gym was bloody brilliant. We had a great time, didn't we, today?
I enjoyed it a lot.
Yeah, Sam on the camera had a fucking great workout. But no, we're at the office now. Lovely smart base. Look around, boys and girls. The door's been left open, which is always good. But yeah, no, we are today. It's Sunday, so there's not really loads to do trading wise. So instead, I'm going to do a market forecast, which I'm going to do for all our work members anyway. But I'm probably going to do a quick, shortened down video for you guys for some free trading riz.
Trust on the activeness, Luke. I was recording. Mm-hmm. So, we've gotten into the office. What time is it now? It's about 2:30. I spent 2 hours annoying Sam and going through some bits and actually filming some TikToks and stuff like that. So that's been fun. It's Sunday, so the market's not open if you're not aware. As a trader, there's not really loads to do today. So mainly it's just been following up with emails, admin stuff. I got a refund from Fund Engineer, which is good. And then I'm gonna also try and refund some of my Forex funds because I don't think they're coming back. So I might as well try and refund the challenge that I never got paid my 10k or 300k account for. Sad! Fuck off! Oh no, I'm fine. I'm not even fazed by it all. The skill remains the same. Fuck's sake. Oh shit, we're going to Paris in 4 days to go to NFT Paris and also our mate's crypto football event. It's called Web3. Is it Web3 or Web3FC? Web3FC, Geordie Maui. It's his event, so we'll be playing some football there and doing all sorts. There'll be lots of uploads from Paddy. No. So now we're going to go upstairs and do our GU market forecast for all you guys.
Right, boom. Let's go through the GBP USD, otherwise known as cable, and what we think is going to happen. So, first thing I want to do is go on the weekly, because this is where I got my bearish bias from coming out of that consolidating range. So, obviously, from this point here, we caused a change of character to the downside. Then, since then, we've actually not had a change of character to the upside. Don't know why that's gone that colour. That's Y, and then also that's Y as well. So yeah, what I'm trying to get at, oh, it's good to equal up, right? Changing character, there you go. So I'm very interested in shorts. Well, I was very interested in shorts when we came into this area here, and actually this area as a whole, because if you look, you can even argue this technically caused the high, so you could look at that. You could look at that as an entire area. So from here onwards, hence why we start seeing rejections from that area. Now, we caused this change of character, and then from here, we created this low. However, there wasn't a change of character back to the upside at any stage. So price is still very much bearish, and why it looks so nice is because when you're looking at the fib, we've very much come into that premium of price, and now we're rejecting. If we take out this low, then I'm definitely going to be bearish. But at the minute, we're kind of in between areas. Now, I don't think anymore that the power of 3 is going to play out, to be honest with you, simply because of these rejections. So initially I was thinking, so if you saw the video, I said price technically flipped bearish. It's like a bearish consolidating range here. But yeah, obviously you don't want to really be trading a range, but when price opened here on Monday, my expectation was, okay, we're at least going to fill this 4 hourly imbalance and hit the demand, which is what we did. We then got a reaction, and actually reacting right off the top of there, which I think should be some 4 hourly structure. Yes, I mean, it's filled this imbalance and then come into this imbalance, which is a bit of an inverse fair value. That's not needed to know. You don't need to know. So what I was interested at the start was basically this area getting mitigated, which it has twice now. I still think price is going to go lower, but it might retest all the way up there first. CPI and PPI, I believe, were good for the dollar, so I believe, I need to double check. So bad for GU, meaning that price does look like it will go down. Daily is obviously bearish as well. So when I say bearish, we've taken out the last low that caused the last high. So this low caused this high, then this has been taken out. I mean, you can even argue there or there, that's kind of equaled out the low, but yeah, let's say it like this. Okay, and then price is retraced into the premium, and now I would expect a continuation downwards. Start using a flip zone and definitely come in and fill this fair value gap. This is my long-term, not long-term, kind of mid-term target. So that's what I'd be looking for the rest of the week. Now rest of the week, rest of the month, rest of the year. So price could very much come further up. My initial thoughts was we could get a power 3 playing out, meaning that we've consolidated here and then we're going lower, then flipping high. But the more that I think about it, the more I think, like, why would it do that when price is clearly bearish? And we've just had bearish news as well. So I'm not really drawn to that. In terms of where the opportunity is, what I don't like about this is that it hasn't taken out the last low. This is weird price action. No, actually I quite like that, because you've got this area here. So I would be kind of drawn to selling straight away. So it's coming to this price here, filled this fair value gap here, taken out this structural liquidity, which is all here, right at the end of the week. And now it looks like we should continue a sell-off. Oh, that's a circle. We should, I think that price will continue to come further down now. That's kind of my estimation, but obviously that's, we only have, kind of go off what the market gives us. One place that I could look for reactions buying wise is the untapped hourly order block, which is here, and it never got tapped, which got really close to being tapped, which is, it puts it in a bit of an awkward spot. But yeah, it didn't actually get tapped, which I found interesting. So that could be used as liquidity, and then you could get a reaction further into the hourly. But what I'll be looking for next week is price to basically cause this push down, retest, and then continue and target that low. That would be really nice. 15 minute has just changed character back to the downside. 5 and 1 would have done the same. So yeah, in terms of for next week, I'm bearish, but in terms of bullish outcome, you could see price maybe go higher and come further into this 4 hourly, maybe react off the top of it, or somewhere in here. It's already coming into this area here, which is interesting. And obviously you've seen a big sell off there, and then price looking like it's sweeping the liquidity to potentially go further down. But equally, we could see a push further up, and you could still see that power free playing out. If we're looking bullish, that could very much happen. But that's kind of my thoughts on the market at the minute. Obviously, we're going to have to wait for price action to really show us clear opportunities. This isn't my strategy or anything like that. This is just my TA. So normally my strategy would align with my bias, with what I'm thinking the charts could do, and then I'll take my positions, making sure it's the right mic, just so I haven't filmed all this video for nothing. But yeah, especially where the weekly is and the daily, it does look like it will come further down, and it's equaled out that previous leg as well. So yeah, I think that's my thought process. I definitely think that price looks like it should go bearish more so than bullish, and that's my thoughts on the market. You've obviously got this weekly fair value gap as well, which could be filled. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. This is a bit of free source. The last ones we've done have been really accurate, so hopefully you take this and understand it all. If you do, I'm going to mention it at the end of the video anyway, but if you want to see this live every single day, then join our premium Discord, which will be below. If you're looking for direct mentorship with me, talking through how I see the markets, the strategy I use, etc., aligning them, trading rules, funding strategy, all of that good stuff, that's with WokeFX, which is the company that I founded, where we teach basically beginners, intermediates, and even people who have been in trading for a long time, the exact way that I trade and that we've traded to get all of our traders to a very high level, and a lot of them full-time within their first year, a lot of them funded with multi-six figures, and yeah, basically seeing really good results. So if you want to find out a bit more about that, then that'll be in the description as well, or drop me a message on Instagram at robdono or at dons.fx. Equally can message at Woke Limited as well. So yeah, hopefully you have a good week on the charts. I'll probably be doing this again next week. I go to Paris soon, so maybe I'll do one in there. See you in a bit. Bye-bye.
If you are wanting to see this kind of stuff every single day live in Discord, me and other six-figure funded traders from WokeFX do this literally every day, also posting our previous trades, also doing the odd live trading session as well, all in our Discord. So click the link below if you want to join that. It's in our private Discord. So yeah, that's where to join if you're looking for a good place to learn and be a part of our community. Good.